Franklin's Tower. It's going to be an A chord, going to be a G chord, there's going to be a D chord. The A chord's barred, the G chord's barred, and the D chord's barred on the 5th fret. So we start with the A, and we're going to go down, up, down, and then mute, go down, up, down, and we go up, 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 down. Okay, so down, up, down, up, 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 down, and we kind of press with our left hand, just kind of to get the mute sound on the upstrokes. Just kind of squeeze the bar chord. And then G is up, down. Okay, and that's the only thing you're going to play on the G's, up, down. And then we go to the D chord, and we do the same pattern as we did with the A chord. So it's going to be down, up, down, up, 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 down, G, A, G, D, G, A, G, D, the G, A,